Hi guys, welcome to another fast food review with myself and Chloe. Today we're back at the old favourite McDonald's, but we're trying their brand new home style crispy chicken burger.
And right now I'm eating my chicken nuggets and chips, but currently I'm eating my chips.
Nice burger, bacon, cheese, lettuce and mayo. Looks fairly substantial in a nice sesame seed bun. So here we go. Oh, bit of red onion as well. Oh man, that is good. How are the fries, kid?
Really good.
Highly recommended.
I really recommend you try these fries.
Are they as good as last time?
Yeah.
Okay. One more bite, and then that'll do for now.